hands in the motherfucking air.
Right, welcome to the channel, guys. Here we have my 1987 Nissan Skyline GXE, and this is going to be my drift build.
Actually side by side, front wheel to front wheels, he's pushing Dean around the track and the transition is...
So, first episode, first walk around. Right, as you can see, pretty funky paint job. Right, hello Winnie. This is what the car looked like when I seen the ad. Now I've got it back home, and the paint job is interesting. No major rust spots, a few concerns here and there. Straight body. There's my other dog. Drift car or sunshade, I don't know. Interior, not too bad. Door cards aren't the best, standard for a 31, but I've seen worse. Factory manual, factory stereo, factory everything. So, as you can see, we have a different seat. Presume it's a replacement seat because there is a lot of K's on the body, over 400k, I believe. The back's not actually too bad. It was on a farm, so there was rats in it. So that's why the back seat is chewed. Pop the hood. Alright, here we go. Here's a surprise everyone's been waiting for. Boom. Factory RB30. Not running. So, this is me trying to get it started. Yeah, so it turned over well, but couldn't have been going. That was after I adjusted cast timing, probably made it worse. We'll come back to that. But this here is a test car that I actually sprayed. I'm going to do a full video breakdown on that and spray video to the rest of the car. But that was actually the can primer and a super cheap auto color match out of a can as well. It actually turned out a lot better than what I expected. So I was obviously pretty stoked to get into the rest of the car. The goal is just to get it back to one color at an acceptable standard. Yeah, but there'll be more details of the spray paint build or spray paint home job DIY, cost breakdown, whatnot. I'm pretty sure including the purchase of the compressor I would have spent less than $1,000, maybe $1,200. But yeah, on to the next, and hopefully I'll see you guys again. Cheers.